Cow goes moo, frog goes croak, and the elephant goes toot. Ducks they quack, and fish go blow, and the seal goes ow, ow, ow. But there's one sound that no one knows. What does the frog say? Hey, 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 hey. What the fox say? What the fox say? Happy, 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 ho. Happy, 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 ho. Happy, 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 ho. What the fox say? What the fox say? Red blue eyes, pointy nose, chasing mice and digging holes. Tiny paws up the hill. Suddenly you're standing still. Your fur is red, so beautiful.